In this video, I'm going to give you a quick comparison or difference comparison between OpenAI and Azure OpenAI when it comes to security. Now, data security and privacy in both OpenAI and Azure AI are one of the before thoughts. Azure employs several measures to keep customer data secure and private, including encryption at rest and in transit and robust access controls. When it comes to network security, Azure uses several network security measures such as firewalls, intrusion detection, intrusion prevention system or IDS/IPS, and denial of service protection or DDoS protection. Mainly, it provides two configurations, virtual networks and private endpoints. When it comes to IAM, Azure AD Security and Azure AD manage users and provide access control. And as you can see, OpenAI doesn't do that. When it comes to threat protection, Azure has services for identifying and responding to threats, including Defender for Cloud and Microsoft Sentinel, whereas still OpenAI is lagging behind. For compliance, Azure has broad compliance offerings with many international and industry-specific standards, which you can check on their website too. As far as model security is concerned, OpenAI ensures its models are trained and used securely to prevent unauthorized access or misuse. And as you know, Azure OpenAI is using the same behind the scene. For data privacy, OpenAI has strict policies to protect data privacy in model training and application, and same goes for OpenAI. For ethical AI, OpenAI follows the principle of safe and beneficial AI and takes measures to avoid harmful applications of its technology. And Azure OpenAI promises the same. When it comes to robustness of AI systems, OpenAI aims to develop AI systems that are robust and reliable and that behave as intended even when faced with challenging situations or adversarial attacks. So all in all, it seems that both AI and OpenAI and Azure OpenAI go neck and neck, where Azure OpenAI seems more beneficial for the enterprise level, where you already have some cloud controls, and I think uh, Azure OpenAI makes sense for bigger enterprises based on more fine-grained controls available. So I think that will be very interesting to see how other cloud providers follow this suit. If you have any insight, please put it in the comment section. Thank you for listening.